Hello, Walden University students. Are you a master's or doctoral student new to scholarly reading and writing? Do you have difficulty understanding and summarizing journal articles in your own words? Would you like writing feedback to assist your progress in other courses? If you answered yes to any of these questions, consider enrolling in Graduate Writing 1. The Center for Academic Excellence course, Graduate Writing 1, Basic Composition Skills, guides you through the beginning stages of entering the academic conversation in your field. Topics covered in the 6-week course include summary and paraphrasing, APA citation, scholarly voice, and revision. Specifically, in discussions, you practice drafting a research article summary, thus developing skills that are essential to understanding and explaining research. Initial posts are due on day 4 and responses on day 6 each week. In weeks 2 through 5, you have a workshop assignment where you share with your instructor one page of a current draft of writing for another course or a previously submitted assignment or discussion. As such, you gain an additional perspective on your work and have the opportunity to revise and strengthen your writing. Workshop assignments are due on day 2 of weeks 2 through 5. In feedback assignments, you engage in activities that involve the feedback process, including accessing instructor feedback, tracking the feedback you receive in a journal, and reflecting on your experiences. Feedback assignments are due on day 7. Collectively, these tasks set the groundwork for you as a member of the academic community, someone who can understand and articulate other authors' ideas in support of social change while accepting and incorporating feedback into their work. To register for an upcoming term, contact your Student Success Advisor at studentsuccess@mail.waldenu.edu. Thank you.